Today, the prosecution just filed a manifestation with the proposal on certain pre-trial matters. Apat pong bagay yung hinihingi namin dyan sa manifestation na yan. Nakaka-file lang po ngayong umaga. I was informed it was filed this morning. I thought it was filed yesterday. Yung una po is that humingi kami ng agreement na kung pwede during the trial stage, during the presentation of witnesses, direct examination, cross-examination, or redirect examination ay kumamit ng either or both Filipino and the English languages. Para mas malinaw, para mas maintindihan, it's a very public proceedings, it's a public trial, and therefore mas maganda kung mas marami nakakaintindi. So it would help kung from time to time ay gumagamit po ng Filipino language na mas simple at mas maintindihan ng mga nanonood at nakikinig. Pangalawa po ay humihingi rin po ang, although humihingi po yung prosecution din na yung tungkol sa presentation of or the participation of both public and private prosecutors pagdating sa pag-examine at pag-present ng mga witnesses. So, at least one public prosecutor, one private prosecutor ang pwede na mag-present ng isang witness para mas, kasi meron hong mga bagay, meron hong mga issues, meron hong mga testigo na ang coverage medyo expansive and therefore ay pakahatiin po yung coverage ng testimony by a public prosecutor or a private prosecutor. Pwede rin isa lang na public prosecutor or pwede isa lang na private prosecutor yung mag-present ng witness. Pero at least two, para one public prosecutor and one private prosecutor ang naka-assign sa pag-present ng isang witness. Number 3 is that yung tungkol naman sa reciprocal 3-day disclosure rule. At least 3 days before a presentation of a particular witness, I may notify the other party. Gusto ko pong linawin na itong requirement na ito, itong proposal na ito, ay actually hiling po yan ng defense. Hindi po yan hiling ng prosecution. Kasi sa tingin po namin ay nandyan naman, alam na nila kung sino yung mga witnesses namin, alam na nila ano yung mga ebidensya, nandyan yan sa pre-trial brief. But para lang hindi magkaroon ng mga procedural arguments o mga procedural technicalities na i-insist nila na kailangan walang surprises, ay pumapayag na po kami, na gano'n na nga. At least 3 days before the presentation of a witness or witnesses, ay kailangan ay ma-notify yung the other party. But again, I stress that hindi po yan ang galing sa amin, sa prosecution, kasi hindi na po namin kailangan ng notice kapag mayroong mga i-present ng mga witnesses. And yung mga dokumento, nandyan na, pre-mark na, alam na nila. And mula pa lang sa pre-trial brief, nandyan na. So there can be no questions about, well, it's a surprise witness, we're being ambushed here by a surprise witness. Pero yun na nga, para wala na akong mga ganong usapan that could further delay the proceedings, pumayag po kami, and I'm sure dyan sa manifestation namin, wala silang objection po dyan. The fourth matter, the last matter which is the subject of that manifestation is the opening of the sealed PIR box. Remember, na doon sa proceedings before the Committee on Justice noon, pinagkapasyahan ng majority of the members of the Justice Committee na huwag na munang buksan yung box na present o dinala ng BIR in compliance with the subpoena issued by the committee. Kasi there were questions about whether pwede, kasi nga yung mga non-disclosure provisions as National Internal Revenue Code, although there's of course divergence of opinion there. Ako mismo, I was insisting already on the opening of that BIR box, but the majority decided otherwise. So that was transmitted, that particular BIR box was transmitted to the Senate na nakasil, na hindi pa yun nakita ng members of the Justice Committee. So since we are in the marking of exhibits, this is the proper stage na kailangan na rin siguro buksan yan para magkaroon na ng inventory of the contents of that particular BIR box. So sa tingin namin that would aid also in more efficient and more expeditious conduct of trial kung maibabuksan na rin yan ngayon during the stage ng pre-trial. So those were the subject matters of the manifestation that was filed today, this morning, by the prosecution.